Let's come to this, my YouTubers. The deconstruction to put the factory unit back in. Alright. So for everybody that don't know how to get the factory unit out, this is like a step-by-step of reversal. So I'll be back with y'all once I get the tools and everything I need. I wanted to get that faceplate off because I forgot what size these were. I forgot what size I had to take out. So I'll be right back with you. Figure out my tools. Like I said, I forgot some things. But you know, the radio is not what I'm taking it out. The car had a nice run, the radio had a nice run, but I'm getting a new Buick Lucerne. Not a newer Buick, just a different one. Lesser miles. Once again, I'm not the up type. I don't need the newest. I got these kids though, so as long as they straight and my thing get to work at home, I'm good. I just need a little something better, and that new ride will come in days to come. But as you can see, the Lucerne, it got a little, that's tar down there from my job. It got, you know what I'm saying? I smoke a lot of cigarettes too. I got certain things wrong with it, certain things I don't like. I definitely don't like this cheap rearview mirror. But that's neither here nor there. We're gonna get back into it. We're gonna start disassembling this thing pretty soon here. So if you got a Buick Lucerne, I'm pretty sure all of them are the same. But just in case yours is from like 2006 till they did the facelift, I think was in 2010. When you take out the dash piece, when you take that out, you'll have 6 screws, hex head screws that you gotta take out. And what I got here is a 9/32. I couldn't find my 7. I didn't want to look that long, but these work just fine. I put them back in there pretty good because I didn't want nobody stealing my stuff real easy. Once that alarm started chirping, I wanted to be able to get a chance to come out here and stop them. So, you know, just get them loose. Everything else can be done by hand. You really don't need no tools if you know what you're doing other than this here. And, you know, for what it's worth, a lot of people might have a different interest in the way they got theirs set up, or just spend different money than I spent, but I have no wires from the trunk coming to this head unit. I got a subsystem in the trunk and everything, but I hooked those up to the rear deck. Batteries underneath the trunk, fuse boxes underneath the trunk. I just ran the remote wire to the fuse box for the ignition for the sub to get power from the amp when it turns on. It shuts off when the car shuts off. And I kept it real clean. I wanted it to be real clean, so when the trade-in time comes, it's pretty much boom, boom, boom. I ain't got a whole lot of stuff to do because I don't want to do a whole lot of stuff. But let me get the rest of this out, and I'll get right back with you. Everything is loose. I'm gonna take this stuff out the way. Get this stuff out the way. Pull the unit out. I had did a video before. I didn't show how it was done. And I had some music playing in the background. My choice of music wasn't the best choice for the video, but you know, long live Chinks, man. But basically, what I wanted to say was, to all those who got a Buick Lucerne and you're interested in doing the stereo and everything, make sure you buy the right wire and harness. You know what I mean? Make sure you get the right shit. I don't know what that is on there. I don't know if it's burning up or what. But make sure you get the right stuff. Like, I don't know, I think this box right here for the steering wheel control. Yeah, this box right here is for the steering wheel control. I just had to check something out. It's weird because I never even used steering wheel control after I put this in. I always told myself I was going to figure out the programming and never even did it. But make sure you order the right kit. You got the chime, you got the ding and all that. When I plug it in, they got the click, click, click. You get all that. All that shit still work. This is the relay for the click, click, click for your turn signal, I guess. That's pretty much it. It's pretty much all you need for real. I mean, as you can see, I got a lot of motherfucking wires because I planned on doing more, but I never even took the steps. I was gonna hook the camera up, and I never even went into the trunk. But basically, they're gonna start pushing these push tabs in, pulling this stuff out, untaping little things like this. This is the antenna. I always tape up the antenna for some reason. I don't know why. My dad said that was weird, but I just like to keep this metal covered. You know, it's not gonna hurt nobody, I don't think, but what do I know? I'm just a guy trying to make it. I'm trying to make it for all my YouTubers to see. But let me get these push tabs off, start rebuilding this factory unit, get this thing back in here. I'll get right back with you. Nice clean empty cavity. That look like it's broke. I ain't do it. It's basic, you know what I'm saying? It's basic antenna, harnesses for the factory. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. This is the old unit, right? Well, the new old unit that I just got done taking out. Little TV. Amazon. Cheap. What can I say? What can I say here? I'll drop something. Hold it. Can't be dropping stuff in the car. Then I forget that it's in here. When I go to trade it in, I forget. So, in a nutshell, the installation is reverse of everything you watching here. I'm just de-installing or uninstalling, whatever you, reinstalling. I don't know. I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope this is a better video for guys out there trying to figure out their own stuff, because we are a culture of learning. So I got the antenna in there. Get this plug in. Click, that means it fit. You can't really go wrong. Click means it fits. You know what I mean? They got a little knob hole right there. This is the knob, basically your guide. You're gonna just push that up in there. It's hard to do this with two hands, believe me. And I got the knob in. Got the knob in there. Alright, so then we put this bad Jim boy back up in here. This clunky unit, let's just say that. Up, here we go with the camera again. One day I'm gonna get a GoPro. I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna upgrade. You're gonna be like, damn, Mike B got the upgrade. For sure, for sure. But in fact, the black is in the building. We gonna still do this with one hand. Get you right, all my viewers. I put everything back the way it was. Anytime I get a car and making payments on it, I got a good relationship with the place I get my rides from. I try to keep everything so I can put it back the way it was. If not, I'll let him know, like, hey, I changed a few things around, blah, 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 but I ain't really got to do that. The enclave is going to be sick when I finish that. We about to put a turbo on that or something. put the mug, my man said he got a little trick up his sleeve for that. That's gonna be sick. Turboed out enclaves. I ain't even seen none of them out yet. I ain't seen nobody on YouTube change they over. Everybody want to customize everything, which I understand. But shit, my kid's mom like to drive. She be in that Escalade like a nut. I like to cruise, you feel me? That's why I get old men car. I don't know why that last one was so bothersome to get in, but should be able to just do all these by hand. But I'm gonna get all these in and I'll be right back with you. There it is, YouTube. Out with the new, back with the old. All for one goal. I ain't gonna have to sell my soul. Last piece to the puzzle. Click that bad boy in place. Don't let Best Buy juice you. All the wiring, all that stuff, that shit's easy. You hear that regular ding? That ding is about regular. Look at the miles. And a week away from the trade-in, because he got to get the papers and all that shit. He's doing some papers and all that shit. But a week away, I developed an exhaust leak on this chunk. Couldn't believe it. We ain't got no stations where I live at. I don't know where y'all might live at, but as far as hip-hop, you can forget about it out here. And you ain't get no love out here as far as hip-hop. Like, let's put it in my hip-hop channel right here. This is Ed Sheeran though on hip-hop. You hear that factory dump? I ain't heard that factory dump in a minute. That's how I like to set it, because you can't really do too much with this. Fade, bass. Can't do nothing with this. You can't do nothing with this, but whatever. That's basically the install in reverse. I hope you liked it. Leave a comment. You know, I'm not no harsh person. I could take the criticism from my critics. Drop a like. The more likes, the more videos I post. I get handy with these hands. You never know, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I bust those dope rhymes too, but we're not gonna get into that. You feel me? But I got an aux cord for the time being. You know, I'm gonna take my subs out. Well, my sub, I ain't got one. Only got one. I'm gonna take my sub out the trunk. Get that out of there. I might do a video on that. I don't know. But till then, I'll be right back with you.